everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common tech challenge that many of you might have faced. Have you ever tried to screen record an app on your phone or tablet, only to find the screen goes completely black in the recording, or the recording simply fails to capture the app's content? This happens because some applications have built-in security or copyright restrictions that actively prevent screen recording. It can be super frustrating, especially when you want to create a tutorial, report a bug, or simply save an important moment from an app. Well, don't worry, because today I'm going to show you a few effective methods to bypass these restrictions and successfully record those tricky apps. Please remember, always use these techniques responsibly and ethically, respecting privacy and copyright laws. Our first and often most reliable method is purely hardware-based, using an external camera. This is the simplest way to completely bypass any software-level restrictions. You can use another smartphone, a dedicated video camera, or even a good quality webcam. Set up your recording device on a stable surface or a tripod, pointing it directly at your phone or tablet screen. Make sure you have good lighting to minimize glare and ensure a clear, crisp recording. This method works because the restricted app on your device has no way of knowing that an external camera is capturing its display, making it a foolproof solution for visual content. The second effective technique involves screen mirroring your device to a computer and then recording the computer screen. Many modern smartphones offer built-in screencasting features, like Google Home for Android devices or AirPlay for iOS, which can mirror your screen to a compatible receiver or smart TV. Alternatively, you can use third-party applications like ApowerMirror, Visor, or Reflector to cast your phone's display to your PC. Once your phone screen is successfully mirrored and visible on your computer monitor, you can then use standard PC screen recording software to capture it. Programs like OBS Studio, ShareX, or even the built-in Xbox game bar on Windows are excellent choices. This method works because the restricted app only sees itself displaying content to an external display, not being recorded directly on the original device, effectively tricking its restrictions. Finally, for Android applications, you can consider using an Android emulator on your computer. Emulators such as BlueStacks, Nox Player, or LD Player allow you to run Android apps directly on your PC. You simply install the restricted app within the emulator environment. Once the app is running in the emulator window on your computer, you can then use any PC screen recording software to capture the emulator's display. Similar to the screen mirroring method, this bypasses the app's internal recording restrictions because the recording process is happening at the PC operating system level, completely separate from the emulated Android environment. This method is particularly useful for creating tutorials or testing apps in a controlled PC environment. So there you have it, a few solid ways to screen record even the most stubborn and restricted applications. Remember, always be mindful of an app's terms of service, user privacy, and copyright laws. These methods are best used for legitimate purposes like creating helpful tutorials, documenting software bugs, or for personal, non-distributive use where permissible. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a big thumbs up to let us know. Leave a comment below if you have any other tips, questions, or if you've tried these methods yourself. Share this video with anyone else who might benefit from these solutions, and please consider subscribing for more useful tech tips and tricks. Your support truly helps us create more content like this for you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.